Today, we're going to be talking about wait commands and how you can use them to personalize experiences in Journeys by 50 Skills. Let's take a look. Imagine you have an individual starting in your organization and you want to truly build an immersive experience for that individual a month before they start, 7 days before they start, and on the day they start to have different messages sent out and make sure they get delivered the right way. This is something that you can use wait commands for. You add a wait command and you make sure that the command itself triggers on the traveler's start date. You can use other dates than the start date. You could have something like the person's birthday, the person's last day of work, or other dates that you've added and defined. But in this case, imagine it's an individual starting their job and you just added the variable the traveler's start date. Now, you want this to trigger 30 days before that, and you want it to happen at 9 o'clock. That means that 30 days before their first work day, which you have defined, a certain email will get sent out. Now, once that finishes, the next action won't trigger off until 7 days before they start. Another email goes off, and finally, on the first day of work, they receive the final email that you want to have sent. Now, there's multiple options with actions. You could have it start before a certain date or after a certain date. So if you wanted, for example, to have a wait command here, let's say 30 days after that they start, you want to send out a survey. You could do that. Then the next step would have an input form, sending out a survey to this individual, making sure that you're capturing everything in the process.